Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ubisoft Connect has detected an unrecoverable error on your Windows. Let's begin. First, go over here, Windows Start menu, look for Ubisoft Connect, right click, open File Location. Make sure you select Ubisoft Connect, right click, open File Location, and then again, Ubisoft Connect. Make sure this is the exe file. Right click, go to properties. This time, go to the compatibility section and check these following, right? Three things. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as the admin. Click on apply, okay, and once done, you can now close this section. Next, go to your Windows menu over here, just type run, right? Then I want you to go ahead and type this percentage local app data percentage. Hit enter or press OK. Then just press any folder and we need to look for the letter U or Ubisoft Game Launcher. Right click and you just need to delete this folder. Don't worry, it won't delete anything integral. And once you've successfully deleted this, you may launch Ubisoft or before that, just to make sure you can reboot your system. Once you're back, go ahead, launch Ubisoft Connect. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this fixed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.